Hi friends. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I was doing a little photo shoot on some new products and these are the cutest things ever. We've got 2 of them on the site now. The link is in there, but how cute are these? These are scratch off cards. So you're gonna get in your bundle when you buy them, it's a set of 12. You're gonna get a blank card or set of 12. And they are by design. So we've got, this one said yes to the address. This one says sold. And then we have a couple others back here in the background I'll show you, but this is how it works. They're seriously scratch off cards. They're so cute. So you just write your little message in here. So let's say, congrats. I keep saying congrats, Sarah, because it's the only thing my brain is working with right now. So then you get a pack of these little scratch off stickers, which I didn't even know existed until we came up with this idea. And then you put it over your message and give it to your client. You'll see at the bottom here it says scratch me, but I thought it would be cute if you put a little penny also, you know, you put your message inside, but either tape or glue dot, or just put a penny in there just for fun. And then they're gonna scratch it off and see the message that you wrote to them. Isn't that so cute? How cute! Isn't that so fun? So these ones are not on the site, they'll be on tomorrow. This one says congrats on your new home. These were testers that we were doing at the national conference when we launched them there. These were testers. Isn't that cute? And then this one is happy holidays. I don't think, it's the only one I could find in the store. I don't think anybody wrote it. I think we were using it as an example that it actually does scratch off. And it says scratch me there. But those are new products. Aren't they so fun? I'm in love. And then we're going to offer a custom version as well. So we'll get those, the custom option, on the site tomorrow. I think I have another one that says new homeowners. Clearly this is supposed to be a signpost. Hopefully you guys get it. And then the little rider. So yeah, those are so fun. I can't really see if there's comments, you guys, so hopefully if you ask me something, I think if I finish this up, it will, it'll tell me. So cute.